Hello, Watchers! Nandito ako ngayon sa Razons, one of the homegrown restaurant here in Pampanga. And kasama ko ang owner ng restaurant na ito para magbigay ng kwento kung kailan nga ba ito nagsimula at ano nga ba ang mga meron dito.
Hi, good afternoon. So, ako po si Leonora Christine Razon Cabrera. I'm a third generation Razon. So, the original Razon started in 1972 sa aming tatlong lola at saka isang lolo, si Severina, Elena, Rogelio, and Virginia. So, nag-umpisa to, wala talaga tong purpose to multiply. Sadyang ano lang, pantanggal inip lang to ng mga lola kasi wala silang mga asawa nila. It started as a small snack house na open lang pag afternoon kasi nga merienda time until nagkaroon dun sa subdivision namin meron ng mga joggers. So noon, merienda house na may halo-halo, may palabo, burgers, fries. So anything na i-request ng joggers, meron. So, ano lang siya, basically it's just a small stall, refreshment parlor. Until na-discover kami in the early 90s sa broadsheet ng Philippine Daily Enquirer. So, ang columnist nun is si the late Doreen Fernandez. So, nung magsimula na na-discover kami, that is when ang customers namin, hindi lang yung early joggers around the subdivision. So, doon na rin na meron na kami mga dayong customers from other towns. So, sa Bacolor, San Fernando. Tapos, yun nga, until we were featured sa broadsheet at saka sa libro ni Miss Doreen Fernandez, meron na kaming dayo from South, from Manila, Greater Manila area. So, yun. Unti-unti, doon na kami nakilala. So, ang bestseller namin is the halo-halo. So, Kapampangan term from halo-halo. So, dati ang halo-halo namin, it comprises of a lot of ingredients. May yema, may kondol, may saging makapuno. Until, yun nga, napagod. Dahil, hindi naman siya napagod. Pero, dahil nga, the lolas are already aging, medyo nagiging strenuous na yung procedure ng mga sahog. So, they concentrated on yun nga, yung kung saan kami kilala ngayon, yung 3 ingredients, which is the minatamis na saging, minatamis na makapuno, and the leche flan. Bukod pa doon, special din ang aming pansit luglog kasi laging yun ang combination na doon kami nakilala sa combination na yun. And since para economically, syempre hindi naman pwedeng ang peak time lang is during merienda. So over time, naglagay na rin kami ng special items na alam namin ay pwedeng maging bestseller din namin. So meron na kaming mga rice meals, which is the kare-kare, the tintad, or the dinuguan. So doon din kami kilala ngayon. And the kalderetang baka. So, right now, we only have 2 branches. So, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit dalawa lang ang branch namin. So, yung nanay ko, her vision is to keep the brand artisanal. It can only be achieved kapag ang products namin are still done the traditional way. And yun nga, walang process, very minimal ang process na ingredients. So, sa lahat ng mga bashers at susunod pang magiging bashers, so you'd like to invite you all to visit our store, The Original Razons, which is located at Jasa Road, Jasa Road, San Matias, Bago, Pampanga. Follow our page so para makita nyo rin yung Waze link namin and Google Maps para madali nyo malocate ang aming branch. We have 2 branches, which is here, which is in Jasa Road, San Matias, Bago, Pampanga, and 1 sa loob po ng Guagua, which is Plaza Burgos, Guagua, Pampanga. Thank you, everyone.
So everyone, when you're here or when you visit Pampanga, you must visit this place, this resto. Razons are open daily from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yun lang. Bye!